Hey guys, so here's an individual fan video of the Tatung Hugger in Abby's room. I really like it here and I might keep it here actually. As I said, the only other thing I'd be inclined to try would be putting an island fans in here. Done with the Leslie lock. I like the CEC in here, but it wasn't very practical with the blades. So, okay, let's take it through the speeds. Computer, Abby's room fan 10%. Computer, Abby's room fan 50%. Computer, Abby's room lights on. I think that's worse for the video. Computer, Abby's room lights off. Computer, Abby's room fan high. Oh good, it did understand high. And then I'll show you spin down with the pull chain. Nice long spin down. Okay. High, medium, low. Now the factory low speed is actually better than the one with the remote. Both of the factory speeds are. Medium. Okay. Thanks for watching.